All right, let's talk diamonds, but not just the sparkle part. Today we're getting into why where you buy your diamond actually matters, maybe more than people realize.
Yes, because everyone's focused on carat size and clarity, but the source of the diamond, that's a huge deal, especially with so many online sellers out there now.
Exactly. Whether you're buying an engagement ring, an anniversary gift, or just something special for yourself, the place you buy from can affect everything. Authenticity, certification, long-term value, all of it.
And that's where a trusted local jeweler really makes a difference. Take NJ Diamonds, for example. They've been serving the Dearborn, Michigan community from the same location for 30 years.
30 years is no joke. That kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It happens because people trust you.
Let's start with something simple, seeing the diamond in person. Online photos can be very misleading.
Oh yeah, lighting, angles, filters. You never really know what you're getting until it's in your hands.
At a physical jewelry store like NJ Diamonds, you can actually look at the diamond under magnification, compare stones side by side, and see the brilliance, fire, and clarity with your own eyes.
And that experience alone gives you confidence. Nothing replaces seeing your diamond before you buy it. Another big factor is certification. Not all certificates are created equal.
Right. Where you buy your diamond determines whether that certification is legitimate and whether the color, clarity, and carat weight are accurately represented.
At NJ Diamonds, transparency is non-negotiable. Their diamonds are certified by trusted labs like GIA and IGI, so you know exactly what you're getting.
That certification protects your investment, plain and simple. One of the biggest differences with a local jeweler is who you're actually talking to.
Yes, when you walk into NJ Diamonds, you're not talking to a chatbot or a call center. You're speaking directly with experienced professionals.
People who've spent decades in the industry, they'll explain value, quality, and options honestly, without pressure.
Their reputation was built face-to-face, one customer at a time, over 30 years. And here's something a lot of people don't think about. What happens after you buy the diamond?
That's huge. When you buy from a brick-and-mortar jeweler, you get long-term care. Things like free cleanings, inspections, resizing, and repairs done in-house.
Plus upgrades, trade-ins, and even redesigns down the line.
Your diamond's future matters just as much as the purchase itself. Unfortunately, we hear too many stories about people buying diamonds online and later finding out something's wrong.
Yeah, wrong grade, fake or altered certificates, poor cuts, or stones that just don't match what was advertised.
Buying from a trusted, established local jeweler removes that risk.
So why NJ Diamonds specifically?
They're a standalone, family-owned jewelry store serving the same community from the same location for 30 years.
They offer accountability, consistency, personal service, verified certifications, and custom engagement rings designed by Custom by Z.
They don't just sell diamonds, they build lifelong relationships.
At the end of the day, buying a diamond is a big investment, emotionally and financially.
And where you buy it matters just as much as what you buy.
When you choose NJ Diamonds, you're choosing truth in grading, confidence in quality, and 3 decades of trusted local expertise.
Your diamond deserves a source you can trust.
Thanks for listening, and if you're diamond shopping, now you know what to look for.